What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we are going to be showing you guys how to use the rain sensing wipers on your new Cadillac. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm on the climate control screen here. You just want to hit the home button once. You can see we're onto our main menu in all Cadillacs, the new ones, and then you want to go to settings, and you'll see at the top there's system, apps, and vehicles. Click vehicle. You'll see all these options. You want to go to comfort and convenience, and as you can see there, you have rain sensing wipers, and they're enabled for me. Click on it, and it basically just gives you a little description what they do, but I will explain it. So enable them, and then you have to make sure you come over here to your steering wheel column off to the side, and you can see, you can read there as high, low, auto, off, and then 1 times is just if you click down. I'll show you. So right now we're on auto. This is off, and there you can see if I hit it once, that's the 1 time. If I go up, we're on auto now. So you have to leave it on this setting, and as your windshield senses rain, you will have your auto wipers come on. There are these dials here which can adjust your sensitivity as well on auto, so you can play around with that, see what you like.
All right, everybody, now we're gonna go for a brief drive and show you what the rain sensing wipers look like and how they perform. Like we mentioned earlier, you can adjust the sensitivity on auto to see how fast or slow you want them to go, depending on the rain, of course. Sometimes I find they can go a little slow, but with the sensitivity adjust, you can fix that no problem. So you just want to make sure to play around with that sensitivity that you have on the column there, right on your steering wheel. But we're on auto right now with pretty good sensitivity. It's not low, but it's not the highest either. And you'll see we're getting kind of light rain here, and they're going at a good pace. I mean, it's just light rain, but you can see how well they work without having to really do much or focus on it. That's why you should always, if your car has this feature, definitely enable it.
All right, so that will wrap up this rain sensing wipers tutorial. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and we'll get back to you on if you need any help with any settings or just anything I've mentioned in the video. We will get back to you. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.